Among the three of us, sino ang pinaka-chismosa?
Hindi naman talaga chismis. Tita Boots.
Okay.
Anong ibig sabihin niya? Nagchichismis siya.
Matagal ko nang kilala si Marites. Mauna ng pinakamatanda.
Oh!
I'm Boots Anson Roa Rodrigo.
Ako naman po si Barbie Forteza.
Ako naman po si Charo Santos Concho. It's nice to be back with the film Until She Remembers with Barbie and Tita Boots. Yes.
In the case of Charo and myself, we've been friends for more than 50 years. Bagamat ito yung unang-unang pelikula magkakasama kami. Pero may bonding, may chemistry kami whenever the occasion calls for it. And for Barbie, 28, 29 years old, pero ang utak niyan parang 50 anyos. Oo.
I will take that as a compliment, madam.
Yes,
Yan.
oh.
Ako naman po, having been the only Gen Z in the group,
Yeah.
sobrang saya po ng experience ko dahil masterclass po siya ng lahat. Such an honor na makasama po sa pelikulang ito.
Today, we are going to test how well you know each other, your relationships with each other, with a lie detector and a set of question cards.
Pag marami ba akong lies, pupunta ako sa purgatorio?
Hindi po. Ay, iinom lang po. Okay.
Be honest. Were you ever intimidated by us?
Oh my gosh, yes! Tinatanong pa po ba yan? Nanginginig na nga ako ngayon
Is she telling the truth?
Yes! Yes!
Wow.
See? My gosh, sinong hindi may intimidate? Di po ba, mga idol?
And Tita Boots will have to drink, right?
Hindi naman po, hindi naman. Gusto ko yun!
You have to drink.
I love it! Si Miss Chara talaga! Woo!
Meron ba kayong naghihintay na ambulansya dyan sa baba?
Oh, di ba?
Yeah! I love it! Ayan na. Among the three of us, sino ang pinaka-chismosa?
Among
Sino
the
ang
three
maraming
of
dalang
us.
chismis?
Hindi naman talaga chismis. Tita Boots, kasi mas matagal na yung pinagsamahan namin eh. Getting to know each other pa kami ni Barbie, di ba? So, mas madami kami pinagkikwentuhan tungkol sa industriya. Naku, si Tita Boots. No chismis.
Talaga bang hindi chismosa si Miss Boots? Okay.
Kaya na nga ba, wala na ako ng poise, Tita Boots? Anong ibig sabihin niya? Nagchichismis siya.
Matagal ko nang kilala si Marites.
Mahaba na ang pinagdaanan. So ngayon ako iinom, di ba?
Ay, oo nga, no?
Oh my God, ako iinom. Oo.
Ganun ang
Wagi ka.
wagi ka.
Dapat ma-experience si Tita Boots yung Korean.
Ayun. Tsaka dapat.
Na-impatient ka ba ever sa amin while working on this film?
Hindi.
Promise po.
Hindi.
Aww. Okay, tignan po natin. Oh, hindi nga.
Time to drink. Time to drink.
Nape-predict ko to, ha? Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
Yes.
Diba?
Okay, ready? Oh my Lord.
Oh my gosh! She's the drinker in our group. Paano kang natutong uminom, Iha?
Ano lang po, peer pressure. Wow!
Sabi nga nila, when you love your work and when you love the people you work with, it's not work, it's fun.
Bitin nga eh.
Yes, actually.
It was a breeze, no? The shooting, the organization.
Pero Miss Boots, add ko lang po, ano po naman ang naging experience nyo and how is it working without script?
Without script. I think the no script situation helped us stretch our limits, no? It added to our parang discipline, resilience. So,
Okay, my turn. Pinapahaba ko, di ba kasi nga ayokong mag...
if you had to pick one, what would you choose? A love that excites you or a love that is steady?
Oh my gosh. Shot nga muna. Tara! Siguro po, a love that excites me. Ayan, okay. Ikaw ang magsabi kung ano ang gusto ko. Di ko alam eh. Oh, tama po.
Isa lang ang napatunayan niyan,
Ano
Charo.
po?
Bagets ito.
Bata.
Bata.
I expected that answer
Bata, oo.
from
oo.
her.
Kasi for the likes of us na
Steady na.
been there, done that, we've gone through pains, we've gone through relationships, hindi na natin hahanapin yung excitement.
Mali yata yung sagot ko. Charot.
Hindi.
I guess I can say na I've experienced a love that is steady, that is comfortable, ganyan. Parang masyadong naging familiar na lang and wala na yung parang spark, yan. Wala yung parang kilig, yan yung nawawala. So, hindi ko naman po sinasabing ayoko ng steady, pero gusto ko lang yung parang andun pa rin yung excitement na, oh, guwapo niya. Uy, sinabi niya, I miss you, ganyan. Yung mga gano'n. Ayun, dahil dyan, pinapatagal ko na naman. Cheers po. If we had to swap roles in our movie, do you think I'd do a good job?
Yes. I mean, yeah, for the role, yes. But given your age, parang in as far as your talent is concerned, di ba? As your acting capabilities, yes. Pero given the requirements of the role na nasa senior years, na, parang wag naman.
Pero paano po kung younger din po si Miss
Kung
Catherine?
younger naman, oh yeah, kaya-kaya. Diyos
Sige,
ko,
let's
you can do it with your eyes closed. Truth yan, dapat. Kung hindi, there's something wrong with your machine.
Oh, yun, oh. May pagpapanta. May threat.
So you drink.
I will po, ito na po.
Just a little anecdote. When I was in UP, I was 16 years old. My first play, parang foreshadowing, Charo, about two lesbians. So I was 16, but I did the role of a 40-year-old. But looking back, parang pilit. Magaling lang siguro yung director namin. But if I were to do it now, I could do better.
Kasi you've been through life. May dala ka eh. May baon. May baon kang mga hinagpis.
Hugot.
Mga hugot. Mga sugat.
Inom.
Ito na po, ito na po.
Tita Boots, if social media existed back then, do you think your life would be different?
Yes. Magbait ka, magbait ka. Sinagot ako. Sabi ko, magbait ka. Sabi niya, hindi.
Sinagot din ako. Kailangan ma-experience mo yan, Tita Boots.
So ano muna,
Pero bakit,
explain
oo,
muna.
ba't nasabi mo, Tita Boots, na iba?
Kasi parang napakabilis ng, everything is so expedited. Everything is done in such a big rush. Parang hindi ka na halos makapag-isip, hindi mo na halos ma-digest, no? Oo. Lalo pa itong pagdating ng AI, hindi ba?
Oh, yeah.
Noon, parang mas may puso tayo. Ngayon, because there is so much technology, so much rushing, so much immediacy, parang nawawala yung human contact.
Yes, tama.
Mm-mm.
Huwag niyo po kami ilibangin. Uminom po ka. Charot!
Kayang-kaya.
Okay.
Yay! Ang telepono mo naman yung, ano,
Oo,
May
yung-
wifi.
yung ganun na.
meron.
Yung ganun na.
Touchscreen naman po.
Malaki na.
Meron ka naman doon ng apps, meron.
Oo.
O, iyan, tuturuan kita mamaya.
Ayan!
Kung ano yung dinaanan ko, step by step by the step.
Step. Oh!
Tuturuan ko kayo.
Would you sacrifice everything for love?
If love for family, yes. Pero if partner, no. I will not sacrifice everything.
Hindi ka nakukuryente. Oh, di ba?
No. Uy, all the way no. So, I will explain po my answer. Love for family, yes. Because sila po talaga ang nagparanas at nagbigay po sa akin ng unconditional love. Alam nila lahat kahit hindi ka magkwento, kahit hindi ka magsalita, alam nila kung anong nararamdaman mo, alam nila kung anong pinagdadaanan mo. Love for a partner, I will not sacrifice everything because, kumbaga, hindi kami related by blood, so choice nilang mahalin ako. So, dapat compromise. You will not let me sacrifice everything if you really love me. You will meet me halfway. Pinaghirapan ko po talaga lahat. So for you to ask me to sacrifice everything I worked for, Kit, Brad Pitt ka? Charot.
Kahit na Brad Pitt ka pa.
Kahit na, Bugs, di po ba? O, yun po.
Okay.
Dahil po dyan, who will take the shot?
But I invite you all to both
Akalain-
join us.
Hindi, Tita Boots, madaya ka. Ikaw lang to. Huwag kang ikaw lang yan. Hindi, hayaan mo siya. If the person you loved forgot about you, would you still choose to stay?
Naku, mahabang kwento ito.
Parang makakapag-shot mo
Parang
na si
nobela.
Because I did it in the distant past, no, I will not choose to stay.
Okay, sige. Tingnan po muna natin kung
Huwag ka magsinungan eh.
bilang na ang mga araw mo. Charot. Oh, tama.
Ito yung first love. Naku, parang maalaala mo.
Oo nga.
Dear Charo.
Ay, nako.
First love ko when I was 17. Hindi ako nagustuhan ng nanay niya. Kasi I came from a broken home. Very conservative yung family niya. So in other words, it was a forbidden love, kumbaga, no? Pero hindi ako pinaglaban hindi ako pinaglaban. Masakit kung sa masakit. Sabi ko, hindi na lang. Pero ito yung may sequel pala.
Ay, may pagbabalik!
Oo, may sequel pala.
So, isang araw,
Oo.
Oo.
Isang araw.
nagtagpo ba?
Hindi kami. Yung nanay niya.
Oh, wow.
About
and
30
then?
years after, I was already married to Pete. Sa airport, pinark ko yung wheelchair ni Pete. May lumapit sa akin babae. Sabi, Who's you remember me? I'm the sister of so-and-so. Sabi ko, oh yeah. Namatay na yung boyfriend ko na. He died a young man. Oh, my mother is here. Tinoid niya yung mother niya. Katabi pa ni Pete.
Oh my God.
Katabi pa ng asawa ko, hindi naman namin kilala.
Kwento.
Oo, sabi niya, can you go to her? My mother would like to talk to you. Punta ako, pinakalala ko kay Pete. You know, the old lady, matanda na siya na, may sakit. And the old lady stood up, cried, and embraced me. And said, I'm sorry. Kung hindi ako nang himasok, nakialam, siguro buhay pa yung anak ko.
But that was a beautiful closure.
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Ganda. Writers, directors, producers.
Sa next episode ng Maalaala mo kayo.
So, ako ang iinom.
Yes!
Pero alam mo, hinawakan ni Tita Boots. Parang gusto niyang sabay kaming uminom.
O sige.
Ay, love talaga! Woo!
Cheers!
Oh, bottoms up! Ay, talaga nga naman! Gusto ko to. One last question. Are you proud of this film?
Very proud.
Very proud.
Yes.
Mm.
I mean, this is a first for us. It's an unconventional role at our age. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you talaga to Solar and to Direct Brillante for this opportunity. Yeah, and it was a great working experience with my co-actors. Yeah. Yes. So you will drink.
I will.
Oh. Para akong principal, no? Oo.
Sarap po, through this film, mapalaganap, umabot sa napakamarami.
Kaya po, sana sa darating na February 25, panoorin niyo po ang aming napakagandang pelikulang Until She Remembers, directed by Brillante Mendoza.
Cheers to love that I really believe always wins.
Go, 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 go! Yay! Okay.
Hey!
Bottoms up!
Bottoms up!
Yay!